Guys, today we're gonna talk about that how you can calculate some type of like asymptotes, like you're gonna calculate the vertical and horizontal asymptote. Let's say that you are given a question, like you're given a question y is equal to 1 by x minus 1. So you have to check it out that what about the numerator and what about the denominator. New nominator means that this is the new numerator and this is denominator here, okay? So if the both one are having the same value, let's say the upper value, like here the x is like 0 which is equal to 1 and like the stuff, but here the x is equal to 1 actually. But if the both values will be there, then there will be a problem. But if it will be a simple question as it is, like y is equal to 1 by x minus 1, so it is a very simple question. So the denominator value is a big one. So how you can calculate the vertical asymptote here? Vertical asymptote will be simply like this whole value, but this one, the denominator will be equal to 0. So vertical asymptote will be x is equal to 1 here. Okay, so what will be the horizontal asymptote? Horizontal asymptote will be, you have to just be there. It's like if this is a very simple one, but horizontal asymptote will be other things like let's say if you're given a question y is equal to uh, the upper value will be more, like we're gonna say x cubed by x squared minus 1. Let's hope this one, in which the both values, the numerator values is like higher and the denominator less one. So what are you gonna do here? We're gonna do that, we're gonna put this value which is here's it will be like into it, and x squared minus 1 will be outside. So we're gonna do the caution rule and whole stuff. So we're gonna just getting it like 1 here. So when we're gonna multiply it to 1, it will be like x squared minus 1, and you're gonna like plus, and it will be the minus, and it will be minus, it will be plus. So it will be like x plus 1. So now the value decrease, or isn't it? It is decrease. It will be like 1 plus x plus 1 by x squared minus 1. So now the denominator is having more value here. So this one will be the horizontal or vertical asymptote, and this one will be the horizontal asymptote. So the vertical one will be, the denominator will be equal to 0, then value will be brought here which will be equal to plus minus 1. Okay, if you want to graph it out, so you can just do like let go for this question. Let this question y is equal to 1 by x minus 1, the y x minus 1 is equal to 0, x is equal to 1 and stuff. So we're gonna just say that y is equal to, like we can say it out like if this is the value x is equal to 1, this is a vertical one. So what will be its horizontal? There are no value, so we're gonna just say 0 plus 1 by x minus 1. This is the value vertical, this is the horizontal. So we're gonna just make the vertical now. So if we have got its values, like it's up to infinity graph, like if putting the value here, so it will be 1 by 0 form, which is equal to infinity. So we're gonna just plot it out on the graph. So it will be the 1 on the x-axis, and we're gonna draw it line. It will be a line of horizontal vertical asymptote, but it's not having any horizontal asymptote, so we can't draw it out. But if we want to draw it out, so we can draw its line like plus minus 1 here. So we can draw it out here by the way, like what we have a graph here, and there's a positive value of 1, and there is a negative value of 1. So we can just do like this is having 2 like this, and if we're gonna draw its vertical one be just y here in positive forms, it will be like this. This is how simple these are things. Okay.